In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in Google Forms. By the end, you'll have quick alerts arriving in your inbox whenever someone submits a response to your form, so you can follow up faster and stay on top of your data without constantly checking the form. First, head to Google Forms in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you use for your forms. The notifications will go to the inbox of the account that's currently signed in, so it's important you're using the right one. When the Google Forms homepage loads, you'll see a grid of your recent forms. Find the form you want to monitor and click it to open the editor. If you work with multiple forms, the thumbnails are labeled with their titles, which can help you quickly spot the right one. Once you click, you'll be taken into the editing view for that specific form. With the form open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. It's easy to miss, especially if you're used to looking only at the questions area, but it sits near the other form controls and gives you access to extra options. Open that More menu and choose the option labeled Get Email Notifications for New Responses. As soon as you click it, the setting turns on for this form. From now on, every time someone submits a response, Google Forms will send an email to the account you're using, letting you know there's new activity. If you ever decide you no longer need alerts, you can return to the same menu and click the option again to turn it off. A couple of quick notes to keep things clear. This setting applies to the form you're currently editing, and it affects your account only. Other collaborators won't start getting emails just because you turned notifications on for yourself. Also, you'll need edit access to the form to see this option. If you don't, reach out to the owner and ask them to enable it on their end for their own notifications. That's all there is to it. Go to Google Forms, open your form from the recent list, use the 3-dot More menu, and select Get Email Notifications for New Responses. With that simple change, you'll save time, react faster to submissions, and keep your workflow moving smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy form building.